Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only good for your health but also for the planet: how to start a plant-based diet and why it's a game changer for your well-being. In a world where the importance of what we eat is becoming increasingly clear, making the transition to a plant-based diet can be a transformative journey. Whether you're considering it for health reasons, ethical concerns, or environmental impact, this video is your ultimate guide to kickstart your plant-based adventure. We'll unravel the science behind the health benefits, share practical tips for making the switch, and even whip up some mouth-watering plant-based meals to tantalize your taste buds. So, if you've ever wondered what's behind the buzz surrounding plant-based eating, stay tuned, because we're about to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. 1. What is a plant-based diet? In this first segment, let's get down to the basics. What exactly is a plant-based diet? At its core, a plant-based diet is all about emphasizing foods that come from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. It's a dietary approach that focuses on nourishing your body with the incredible array of nutrients that nature provides. While the specifics can vary, the common thread is a significant reduction or elimination of animal products, including meat, dairy, and eggs. Plant-based eating isn't just a trend. It's a lifestyle that's gaining momentum for its numerous health benefits and ethical considerations. So, whether you're looking to boost your well-being, reduce your environmental footprint, or simply explore new flavors in the world of plant-based cuisine, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of plant-based diets. 2. Health benefits of a plant-based diet. Now, let's explore the compelling reasons why a plant-based diet can be a game changer for your health. Research has shown that adopting a plant-based diet can lead to a plethora of benefits. It's like giving your body a natural boost towards improved well-being. From reducing the risk of heart disease and lowering cholesterol levels to enhancing weight management and even decreasing the chances of developing chronic diseases, the evidence is strong. We'll be diving deep into these health advantages, backed by science and real-life success stories, so you can understand why more and more people are choosing to embrace a plant-based lifestyle. So, if you're curious about how plant-based eating can transform your health, stick around for this segment. You won't want to miss it. 3. How to start a plant-based diet. Now that we've explored the health benefits, let's roll up our sleeves and discuss the practical steps to get you started on your plant-based journey. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing endeavor. We'll guide you through the process of making gradual changes that fit your lifestyle. Starting with small, manageable steps, like swapping out meat for plant-based protein sources or incorporating more fruits and veggies into your meals, can ease the transition. We'll also delve into the art of meal planning and grocery shopping, so you can ensure your kitchen is stocked with all the right ingredients to make delicious, nutritious plant-based meals. Plus, we'll recommend some valuable resources, including cookbooks, websites, and apps, to help you find exciting plant-based recipes. So, if you're ready to take your first steps toward a plant-based diet but aren't quite sure where to begin, this segment is your roadmap to success. 4. Essential nutrients and supplements. Now that you're on your way to embracing a plant-based diet, it's important to address a common concern: meeting your nutritional needs. We'll take a closer look at essential nutrients and how to ensure you're getting them from plant-based sources. We'll discuss protein, iron, vitamin B12, calcium, and other key nutrients, providing insights into which plant-based foods are rich in these nutrients. Additionally, we'll talk about the option of supplements, when and why they might be necessary, and how to choose them wisely. The goal is to help you maintain a balanced and healthy diet while enjoying the benefits of plant-based eating. So, if you've ever wondered about the nutritional aspects of this lifestyle, stay tuned for some valuable insights. 5. Meal ideas and recipes. In this segment, it's time to tantalize your taste buds with some delectable plant-based meal ideas and recipes. We'll prove that a plant-based diet is anything but bland or restrictive. From hearty breakfast options that will kickstart your day to satisfying lunches and mouth-watering dinner creations, we've got you covered. We'll provide step-by-step instructions and cooking demonstrations for a selection of dishes that are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients your body craves. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just dipping your toes into this culinary world, you're sure to find inspiration in these scrumptious recipes. So, get ready to discover a whole new world of flavors and textures in this segment. 6. Success stories and testimonials. In this segment, we'll hear from individuals who have experienced firsthand the transformative power of a plant-based diet. These personal success stories and testimonials will shed light on the real-life benefits and changes that people have witnessed on their plant-based journey. From weight loss and increased energy to improved digestion and enhanced overall well-being, these stories will inspire and motivate you to embark on your own path to better health. We'll also explore the diverse reasons people choose a plant-based lifestyle, whether it's for ethical reasons, environmental concerns, or purely for the love of delicious, wholesome food. The journeys will remind us that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to plant-based eating, and each person's experience is unique. So, get ready to be inspired by these incredible stories of transformation. As we wrap up our exploration of the plant-based diet and its many benefits, it's important to reflect on what we've learned today. We've uncovered the science behind the health advantages, provided practical tips for getting started, and even treated you to some delicious plant-based meal ideas. The decision to transition to a plant-based diet is a personal one, and it can be a significant step towards a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Remember that it's not about perfection but progress. Every plant-based meal you choose makes a positive impact, whether it's on your own health, the environment, or the well-being of animals. We encourage you to take what you've learned today and explore the world of plant-based eating at your own pace, discovering the flavors and benefits along the way. We hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to embark on your own plant-based journey. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on health and fitness. Until next time, here's to a healthier, happier you. Before we sign off, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video informative and helpful, please take a moment to support our channel by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest content on health, fitness, and more. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue creating valuable content for you. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to having you with us on our next journey towards a healthier, happier life.